Hello, welcome to TCS Digital Capability Assessment April 2021 Aptitude Questions video. In this video, we will cover on a topic mean, median, mode and aptitude questions. Mean. The definition of mean is the arithmetic mean of given data is the sum of all the observations divided by number of observations. Formula is sum of all the observations divided by number of observations. Let the observations are x1, x2, x3 and so on. Then we can find the mean by the formula x1 plus x2 plus xn divided by total number of observations, that is n. Now consider an example. A cricketer scores in 5 ODI matches are as follows: 12, 34, 45, 50 and 24. To find the average score in a match, we will calculate mean of the given data by using the formula of mean. So basically we will add sum of the numbers, that is 12, 34, 45, 50 plus 24 divided by total number of matches, that is 5. We will get sum as 165. We will divide this number by 5. We will get the mean, that is 33. Now the second topic is median. The value of the middlemost observation obtained after arranging the data in ascending order is called the median of the data. Now to find the median of ungrouped data, there are total 3 steps. Step 1. Arrange the given data in ascending order or descending order. Let the total number of observations to be n. We need to check whether n is odd or even. If n is odd, then the formula will be n plus 1 upon 2 observation. And if n is even, then the formula will be n by 2 observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation divided by 2. I will be explaining this in detail with the example, so you will get better understanding of these formulas. Now consider the given data is 4, 4, 6, 3, 2. Now the first step, we will arrange the data in ascending order 2, 3, 4, 4, 6. So there are total 5 observations which is odd. Then we will follow the first formula of odd, which is n plus 1 upon 2. So here n is 5. 5 plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 3. So we will find the number at present at third place. So the number present at third place is 4. Therefore median is 4. Now let's consider another example where data is 56, 67, 54, 34, 78, 43, 23. We have to find the median. So first we will sort the data in ascending order. Here n equal to 7. So according to the formula, 7 plus 1 upon 2 equal to 4. So the answer will be number present at the fourth position, that is 54. This is the another example where we have to find the median, but here the number of observation is even. So as usual, we will first sort the data in ascending order. Here n equal to 6, which is even number. So we will use even formula for the finding the median. So 6 by 2, that is 3. The number present at the third position and the very next position, that is the fourth position. We have to take the average of both the number. So 43 plus 50 divided by 2 will give us a median 46.5. Now the next topic is mode, which is one of the simplest topic. To find mode, we need to find the number which is occurring most number of times in given data. For example, in the given data, 6 appearing most of number of the times, therefore mode equal to 6. Now we are moving towards actual questions which TCS is asking. For a given data 23, 10, 32, 15, 20, find 2x minus y, where x and y are the mean and median of the given data respectively. Options are A 33, B 23, C 16, D is 20. Solution. For the above given data, mean is 20, median is 20. So x is mean, y is median as per the given question. Putting them in an equation 2x minus y, so we will get answer as 20, option D. Question number 2. For a given data 34, 28, 20, 32, 15, 9, 23, 26, 35, 16, 33, 43. Find 3x minus 2y, where x is median of above data and y is also a median of above data after interchanging 23 with 32 and 16 with 30. Options are 20, 19, 21 and 18. Solution. X is the median of a data before interchanging. So first we will arrange the data in ascending order. Here n equal to 6. So median will be 6 term plus 7 term is which is going to be give us 27. That is x. Now we have to find out y, which is the median of a data but after interchanging 23 with 32 and 16 with 30. So again we have to use the same logic. arranging the data in ascending order and finding the median using the 6 plus 7th term is going to give us 31. Finally, we will put in 3x minus 2y which give us 19. That is our answer, option B. Ending this video with a special formula, 2 min plus mod is equal to 3 median. This formula can be used where we have to find any one of them when two of them is given.